everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So yeonseok and Soobin were rehearsing the eating scene where they both were eating on the table and Jaeyoung flirts with Heju, but in behind the scene, Soobin's stomach was making noises while rehearsing. So they both starts laughing and look how cutely Soobin calms his stomach down. Also during SBS award, Park Shinhye and Young Kim got the Best Couple award, and in his winning speech, he mentions that he always wanted to be remembered as Park Shinhye's man, and now I'm finally her man.